Welcome back to another episode of Generation Old School. In this video, we're meeting up with my good friend Mike. He has an amazing car collection inside this warehouse that's behind me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also turn on post notification. That way you guys get notified every time that I post a new video. Thank you so much, and let's go ahead and start the vlog. Oh, the sea, no way. COE. Very nice. That's a COE with a rubber on the top. You guys have probably seen this car in some of my videos before.
The 68 Camaro.
Oh my god.
Este es un big block.
Mira esa goma, ¿no?
Eso sí tiene deep dish.
¿Y este qué es lo que es? ¿Cuál es eso?
A Chevelle.
That's a Chevelle.
Yeah, 67 Chevelle.
That is nice, right.
Convertible.
Well, it broke when we were driving.
Yeah, I gotta fix the transmission shifter. The linkage se rompió, ya lo arreglé ahí. Tengo que ponérselo para atrás. Aquí donde yo guardo el camión grande. Y los otros que entran is when they have issues or...
And that one back there, what is it?
That's the one I'm building.
Ah, that's the one you built. That's the one.
Yeah, 69.
And you have been building that one for 10 years.
10 years, man. Finally, ya, se va a armar ya for the last time. Ya, esto es the final build, ya. I'm telling you, man, this was one of the first.
That is nice, and the paint is beautiful.
Yeah, finally I just got it from the body shop. That's what took the longest. That shaved all of trims.
The door handle too, no?
No, door handle, we're keeping it, but we took the key out.
Ah, okay.
But look at the custom carbon fiber. Todo esto es custom. We cut that in, put carbon fiber on it.
That is nice, man.
The spoiler kit is made out of metal.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's not that shit plastic that falls apart.
Or yeah, fiberglass, you know. Aquí atrás, look what we did. We molded the bumper. And then we brought down this with the exhaust. It's gonna go here.
Really
It's a lot of custom work. In here, there's gonna be a carbon fiber piece that's gonna sit inside. That's why it has that design there. I started putting the suspension on it yesterday. It's gonna be airbagged.
Is this gonna be your first car?
No.
Y este Toyota está nice también.
Esto es my dad's hunting truck. Lo estamos preparando for hunting. I'm gonna put those off-road tires on it now for money.
And the white with the white top is gonna look great.
That's what we decided to get those white ones.
What do you guys do with this one? You guys take it for drag racing?
No.
You drive it around normal?
Yeah, those street cars, man. Todos los manejamos. I used to drag race before, pero yeah, no more racing. I'd rather go to the car shows.
Oh my god.
AC, everything works on it.
That's nice, man. Carbon fiber, no? Carbon fiber left.
Yeah, well, it's not really carbon fiber, it's hydro dip is what they call it. They did the roll bar like that, they did a lot of things like that, all this stuff. I have the real carbon fiber one that I bought it for that car. And I'm not going to use, but I'm not going to put it on because this car has everything hydro dip. So.
What's the difference between this Camaro and that one over there?
This is a 68 and that one over there is a 69. The 69 is different. Aquí los costados aquí son más, el carro un poquito más ancho y atrás también. Another key thing is the wheel wells. 67 and 68, the wheel wells are round. 69 is kind of square. Look at it. 69 is unique. It's the only year was like this. See this line que tiene?
Yeah.
Y ve que es más cuadradito aquí. No es totally round. Same thing in the back.
Yeah, I see.
The wheel well goes like that and then down. Part of the collection. Este carro está al lado. My friend Ray has this warehouse.
This one?
No, that's not mine over there. This one.
The other Camaro.
That's a 67. So you see the 67 tiene this little window. That's the only difference between the 68 and the 7.
Yeah.
That little window.
Beautiful.
And that's the truck that they're fixing right now. The door. 700 horse.
Yeah. That is really nice, man.
Fuel tank. Creo que 13, no. It says it there on the side. Yes.
Nice. Es una cuarta. Nice. How often do you drive this one?
Oh, we drive them all, man. Este lo llevé al Tropical Park Show, fue el último que lo llevé. I go like once a week, I switch a car and take it home, drive it around. socio mío tiene un Citan aquí. Un Citan.
Los Citanes son bonitos.
Mira dando.
Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and comment, and also turn on your post notification, that way you don't miss any of my videos. And if you guys are new, subscribe. Thank you guys, bye.